In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write math formulas in Notion using the equation block. If you've ever wanted your notes, study guides, or project docs to include clean, readable math, this walkthrough will show you the quickest way to do it without any complicated setup. We'll keep it simple and stick to the essential steps so you can follow along smoothly. Start by opening a Notion page. This can be a brand new page if you're starting fresh, or any existing page where you want the formula to appear. You can place it anywhere in your layout, at the top of a document, under a heading, or right alongside your regular text. If the page is empty, don't worry. The process is exactly the same. When you're ready to add a formula, use Notion's /command. Click on a blank spot to create a new line, then type equation. You'll see a small menu pop up with options. Choose the one labeled Equation. The moment you select it, Notion inserts an equation block for you. Think of this block as a dedicated space for math. It keeps your formula neat and separate from your regular text, so it's easy to read and easy to edit later. If you don't see equation in the list, make sure you typed the slash on a new line and that you're not inside another block. Now it's time to enter your equation. Click into the equation block and start typing. You can keep it as simple as you like. For example, type 1 plus 1 equals 2, and watch Notion keep the spacing balanced and clean. Or try something slightly longer like 10 plus 5, x 2. Notion will format it automatically, so parentheses, plus signs, and multiplication are displayed in a clear, readable way. The goal here is readability, so take a second to check that what you typed looks the way you expect. If you spot something you want to change, just click back into the block and edit right there. Once you're happy with the formula, click anywhere outside the block. That action saves your equation and shows it neatly on the page. You'll notice it stands out clearly from your other content, making it easy to scan and reference later. If you ever need to adjust it, simply click the equation again to reopen it for editing. And that's it. Quick, clean, and beginner-friendly. And that's how you write math formulas in Notion. Like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.